In this lesson, you will learn how to use group values. Here, I have used the group and replace data where I have these four fields, that is Airbnb list, misspellings, name formatting, and typo. And in the data grid, you can see the sample records. You can see that the data are wrongly entered. Like instead of bathroom, they have entered at bath, BA, bathrooms, baths, and instead of bedroom they have used BD, BDRM, BED. So you can see some difference. And in misspellings you can see that the beautiful has been not properly written, that is not properly spelled, and in the name formatting and also in the typo. We are going to use the group values here. So if you just click on the more options in the card, that is Airbnb list card, you can see the group values option where you have manual selection, pronunciation, common characters, and spelling. So, first, we are going to explore manual selection. Click on the manual selection. You can see that all the entries are available. That is, 12 different entries are there. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select which one I need exactly, either a bathroom or bathrooms. So, I need bathroom. So, I'm just clicking on the bathroom. So this is how it has to look like. And what are all the other entries which has to be grouped inside bathroom? So I want BATH, BATHROOMS, and BATHS, which all these should be grouped inside bathroom. So you can see that once I have selected, everything has been grouped and it is showing a pin icon, which means that this has been grouped. Click done, where you can see that all the data has been changed. Similarly, you can do that for others as well. Let us do it for bedroom. Click, just hover over the bedroom. You can see that it is having 31 rows. And if you just hover the bed BEDRM, you can see 3 row. And in bed you have 6 rows records, and BDRM2, BD1. So what you have to do, you have to just do it using the split group values and manual selection. Just select the bedroom. Okay, wait, we can also do it in a different way. See, so this everything should be in the bedroom, right? So select this, okay, and click here and delete this, click enter. It will be grouped. You can see it, right? So this is the pin icon. You can see that it has been grouped, and you can double click and copy this and then just paste this for everything. It will be grouped. Okay, so this is how you can do it for bedrooms. That is, you can also select and manually type it, or else you can also go and do it with the group values. So what is the difference is like, see, you cannot always, if you have multiple different wrong entries, you cannot go and select everything, right? So that is why we are just using the group values. So this is one possibility, that is, this is two possibilities I have showed as well, actually. Okay, so now we are going to use the second option, which is called pronunciation. You can see here beautiful, beautiful, so there are many entries over here. So what I'm going to do, just click here, that is the more options, go to group values and click pronunciation. Click pronunciation. You can see that automatically, based on the pronunciation, okay, that is a beautiful and difficult, pneumonia, so everything based on that, it has been automatically grouped it based on the pronunciation. So click done, it's been grouped. Yes. And the next option is what? Click here. Click group, and you have a common characters. Okay, what are the common characters which are there? Based on that, it will be automatically grouped it. So click on common characters and see how it is grouping. Okay, so this is what the common character which is appearing. Let us see. Okay, like let us just undo it and see that how many unique values you have. 15 unique values where Alan Campbell, where what are the other entries you have? See, Campbell Allen. Okay, so this is the first Alan Campbell, Campbell Allen. So based on the value, it is grouping. And Basil Hallward. So if you have anything else like that, Hallward Basil. Okay, since they used here comma, so Tableau Prebuilder is automatically assuming that this is the name. Since in our name we will not be having any comma, right? So that is why it is grouping accordingly. Okay, and if you see like this is Victoria Wotan, and you can see that Wotan comma Victoria where it is grouped. And even here you can see that various data which has been separated with comma, which can be easily grouped using common characters. So click here common characters, it will be automatically grouped. And you can see that group icon, that is a pin icon, which means that this word has been appeared, like another entry was there and it has been grouped. Click done. Okay, so the 15 entry has been changed into 11. And the next one is go to the group values and click here spelling. So you can see that based on the spelling, it is grouped into Tableau. Okay, so click done. So these are the four different options which you have under group values. And you can see that this specific card has been used, we have used the group values in this card. That is why it is showing that a pin icon on the top right corner of the card. So you can see that the changes has been made for the specific field in the profile pane, in the changes pane, okay, here left side, and also in the flow pane. And in which step you have did the changes, that is we have did the changes in the clean step. So it is showing up the changes. And if you just hover over the pin, it will show you that what are all the column, that is what are the fields which we have did the changes. Yes, so I'm just summarizing that we have an option called group values, where under that we have four different options, that is manual selection, based on the pronunciation, based on the common characters, and based on the spelling. And you can also change this by simply entering the correct value over the record. So these are the possibilities which you can do it under group values.